Okay, let's talk about operation on fractions. So how do we solve fundamental operation on fractions? Let's start with addition. For addition, kapag nag-add po tayo ng dalawang fraction, ang ginagawa po natin dito is cross multiplication. For example, 1/3 plus 1/2. So multiply lang po natin ito. 1 times 2 is 2. And then copy the operation which is plus. And then this one naman po, 3 times 1 is 3. And then, since magkaiba po yung denominator dito, ang gagawin po natin is multiplication. 3 times 2 is 6. And then, simplify na lang po natin. 2 plus 3 is 5. And then, copy the denominator which is 6. So, that's the answer po. 5/6. Nagagets po. For subtraction naman po, same lang naman po kay addition. We'll do cross multiplication here. For example, 2/3 minus 4/5. So first, we're going to multiply this po. 2 times 5 is 10. And then copy the operation, which is subtraction. And then multiply this one. 3 times 4 is 12. And then, since magkaiba po yung denominator here, we're going to multiply po. 3 times 5 is 15. And then simplify lang po natin. 10 minus 12 is -2. And then copy the denominator. So that's the answer po. Nagagets po. For multiplication naman po, kapag nagmumultiply po tayo ng dalawang fraction, ang ginagawa po natin is numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. So for example, 5/3 times 2/4, multiply lang po natin tong numerator. 5 times 2 is 10. And then the denominator, multiply lang din po natin. 3 times 4 is 12. And then pwede pa po natin tong paliitin. So divide po natin siya sa 2. And then, magiging ano pong sagot? 5/6. So, that's the answer po. Nagagets po. For division naman po, kapag nag-divide po tayo ng dalawang fraction, ang ginagawa po natin is cross multiplication. But in this case po, ito po yung magiging numerator natin. So, 3 times 5 is 15. And then, for our denominator, ito pong part na to, 4 times 1 is 4. So, that's our answer po. So, that's how we do division on fraction. Nagagets po. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video. See you on my next video. Bye-bye!